The topic of this video is creative writing, which is included in your week 2 task. That is, my favorite place. Before you start writing about your favorite place, the first thing you need to do is choose a place about which you want to write about. After choosing that place, you need to make a mind map or a Venn diagram so that you can gather all the ideas which will help you in writing about it. For example, I have chosen the park, Lakeview Park. Now, after choosing, I will think of some things that are associated with this park, that are linked with this park, that I can write about. Okay, it's for Islamabad. So this is in Islamabad. So can write about it. There is a boat ride over there. Oh yes, there's rock climbing. There's restaurant. There are some electronic rides over there. There is a bike ride that is done on racetracks. So now I have selected the things that I want to write about this park. Now another requirement for this is that you need to use adjectives to describe your favorite place. After jotting down the things that I can write about the park, I need to think of the adjectives to describe this park or your own favorite place for that matter. Now, but what are adjectives? Adjective basically describe noun or give additional information about noun. For example, if you look at this pen, it's a pen. How can I describe it? It's a red pen. So red here is an adjective because it is describing the color of this pen. So like this, you need to give additional information about this park using some interesting words. Some words, adjectives that can be used to describe this park are enormous, crowded, delicious. Delicious food. Basically, delicious is here describing food. Exciting, spectacular, vast, popular, fun, fancy, happy. After deciding the adjectives, I can think about how to link these adjectives with the things that I've already jotted down in the mind map. For example, I can say it has an enormous rock climbing area and it's a crowded place in Islamabad. It has delicious food served at its restaurants. So then I will start linking these adjectives with the information that has been written in the mind map. Then it will become quite easier for me to write it into a paragraph. So similarly, you will follow the same procedure. First, you will think of your favorite place, then jot down the main points and then think of the adjectives to describe them and then write your paragraph.